What's up, guys? It's time for another unicorn update. I know it's been a while. We're gonna get right to that here in a second. We're going racing at Streetcar Takeover in Topeka this weekend. And I'm gonna go to the shop and show you a big update on the unicorn here in a second. But first, I wanted to show off our new warehouse. Check this place out. 2,500 square feet. The spank bank's here while I'm getting some work done on the house. We've got an office over there for the editors, social media, shipping station, all of our shirts, hoodies, overstock. This place is going to be packed during the holiday season. So quite the update from our old warehouse. We basically moved in once we got in there a year ago, and here we are. Alright, so we made it to the shop, Unicorn C5. Time to show you a couple surprises we got. New big changes for the car. About the only one you can see right now is I had the ugly red Corvette logos painted over black. That looks way better. But the big change is going to be into the hood. Oh yeah. Dang. That looks good.
Looks real good.
There you have it. Texas Speed 427. And they went with the LS3 heads so we could fit this nice sheet metal intake under the hood. Not gonna be able to do the big crazy aluminum intakes on this thing because it barely fits.
Yeah, there were definitely big clearances that I had to take into account when we were building the intake piping, but
it looks good in there.
Yeah.
So we went from a 370 to a 427, but all brand new stuff. Texas Speed built us a badass unicorn power plant.
It's running good, making good power.
How much power did it put down on the dyno?
1110 has been the most.
On which dyno? Now that you have two of them.
On the Mustang dyno. On the Dream Crusher.
That's right.
Yeah.
So 1100 on how much boost?
22 pounds.
Damn.
Yeah.
Let's see what else have we changed since July.
Stuff you can't see. We put a remote oil filter and oil cooler on it.
That's right. Just adding more weight. I told you no more weight, Chad.
There's still more that I want to do, so
I know.
Have to make up for it with Texas Speed horsepower.
Yep. Oh, we put the stiff sidewall tires on there.
Yeah.
I've been contemplating that. Cletus has been bugging me to try that, so.
Yeah, I'll be curious to see how that all works with 60 footing and getting going. Since that's the most important part.
Yep. So we're heading to the Streetcar Takeover Topeka. I can't wait to get back in the seat of this thing. We ran a 980 in Kearney a few months ago. Not happy with that at all. It was nice to run my first 9, but hot track and just a whole new setup. Hopefully we can whittle that down a little bit this weekend, but I just want to go have fun in it. So I can't wait to try out the new stiff sidewalls and especially the new Texas Speed power plant here. We're gonna load this thing up, hit the road, and see you at Streetcar Takeover. Oh yeah! Home sweet home. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna loop. I gotta take it out for a drive. Can't just put it in the trailer. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds just amazing. As amazing as always. We'll see what the new motor sounds like. All packed up and ready for Streetcar Takeover Topeka. We're gonna hit the road tomorrow morning. Have a fun day of racing. I can't wait to check out Texas Speed Power, see what it's all about. Should be fun. Checked in, ready to go, and I just spotted a scale. It's been a while since I've weighed this thing. We're gonna have to find out how heavy this thing is. It was 3450 last time. Woo, Jesus! Oh my God, 3,600 pounds without me in it.
36.
Damn. So Cletus's weighs 2950 with him in it. So if any of you are wondering if I'm gonna be running a 7 anytime soon, hell no. And I love it like this because it's full street trim, full interior, and I'm not gonna change that. So I'm okay with not running a 7. I'd love to run an 8 at almost 4,000 pounds. I'd be cool with that. Damn, this guy is rolling in style. I'm heading up to the staging lanes right now. It's time to make our first test pass. And this is always a little nerve-wracking. See if all the tune's good, everything's right, the new motor. It's been on the dyno a few times, so not a big deal, but always a little nerve-wracking. Well, the only good part about not driving this car, racing this car for a few months, is every time I go back to racing, that first pass just scares the shit out of me. And I love it.
Dude, your slicks are smooth as shit.
Yeah, they're brand new. I gotta do a big burnout on them.
You gotta like burn them out.
Oh yeah. 1 hour later, we're in the lanes, about to run. There's a ton of cars here at Streetcar Takeover. And look who pulls up next to me. This was not how I was expecting today to go. Something's grinding pretty good. I'm hoping it's just the drive shaft. I forget what the hell they call it in Corvettes. But hopefully it's not the rear end. It shouldn't be. The thing's pretty much bulletproof. But it broke right... Oh, that sounds terrible. It broke basically right on the launch. Yeah, that's the... I forget what they call it. It's the Corvette drive shaft, whatever the f it's called. Well, official word is factory axle is snapped. We knew we were pushing limits on that. I was actually talking to my friend Joe. He's got a badass C5. He's like, oh, you're still running stock axles. I was like, yeah, and here we are now. But to make things better, Sketchy Bert's wife Sarah brought me a unicorn bang. Shout out to Bang. Feel free to sponsor us. You can surround the car with unicorn bangs just for you guys. I'm hooked on them. But that's it from Topeka, I think. We're gonna upgrade the axles to something not stock. Otherwise, we just go grab some from our parts store. We'll see you guys next time.